Welcome to the 10th Multimodal Exhibition.
I'm here at Multimodal with Gideon Hillman of Gideon Hillman Consulting, and I've got a few questions for him about the logistics industry. Gideon, welcome to Multimodal. What is the impact of Brexit on your clients' logistics operations?
I think the full impact of Brexit is not going to be known, or what it means to us or to anyone at the moment. What people are doing at the moment is looking at different strategies and various scenarios on what their logistics operations could look like. For example, we're working with many clients who have UK distribution facilities where they could be shipping stuff out to Europe, maybe importing from China or America. They're shipping stuff out to Europe. They're now looking at having facilities actually based in Europe to hold stock. They're taking that into consideration. In all honesty, most people are just reviewing their overall logistics strategies and supply chains and running various what-if scenarios because no one knows exactly what's going to happen yet.
And how has the rapid growth of e-commerce affected the logistics industry?
E-commerce is a bit of a double-edged sword. It's very reactive to customer demands. In the past, where there's bulk orders going out to retail stores, it's much easier for people to pick their products, send out a bulk order. There's pre-planning. They've got maybe delayed delivery dates. With e-commerce coming in, the public are demanding next day delivery, in some cases same day delivery. Whether they need it or not, that's what's available to them to compete. The impact on logistics companies or anyone shipping that stuff out is twofold. The actual delivery means they have to be much more reactive, much quicker. They have to have later cut-off dates to leave the depots with products. There's more products to deliver. And also with the distance selling regulations, that means that people can send anything they like back. So the actual cost of logistics goes up quite considerably. On the warehouse and the picking side, or distribution centre side, the pick faces are laid out differently. The whole method of picking single item orders or just 2 items in order is completely different. So people are adapting to that. The ones that have found it difficult are companies that are trying to tie bulk operations and e-commerce operations into one area. They are different processes, it's a different way of thinking, but people are adapting, and we're building new e-commerce facilities for people like bodybuilding.com and various other e-commerce companies.
And does automation technology improve distribution operations?
Overall, technology does improve distribution, yes. However, on the transport side, technology is very well embraced with various driver communications, sign-on glass deliveries, transport management and traffic management systems are great. On the warehouse side and the distribution centre side, technology is rather slow to follow, and there are many companies that run without any technology or automation at all. There should always be a certain level of technology in there in terms of warehouse management systems and things to improve picking operations. And many times those systems aren't specified or implemented properly, which actually hinders operations. So there's a long process, or not a long process, but a detailed process in specifying exactly what's needed and then in making sure it's implemented correctly. And you've got to work from an operational level, from the warehouse upwards really, in terms of what everyone needs for every part of the business. In terms of automation specifically, it doesn't naturally improve an operation, it just automates it, which sometimes is less flexible. And can't react to different product profiles. With the birth of e-commerce, that can be an issue. You don't want to restrict your picking operations by putting the wrong automation in. So again, it's got to be carefully considered, and if we're putting automation into a facility, we will run various cost models based on a fully manual operation compared to a semi-automated and fully automated, and we work it on a cost and efficiency ratio and how the customer's products are going to change over the coming years, because they need to make sure they're going to get their money back on the automation. So, summary, it can improve, but it's got to be implemented properly.
Right. And how does Gideon Hillman Consulting fit into the multimodal space?
Okay, we're a consultancy. We've been going now since 2004. We cover all elements of the supply chain. Predominantly, we're known for distribution centre design and transport network designs. And when it comes into multimodal transport, yes, we look at all the options of using rail, sea freight or road freight. And when we're doing, for example, a pan-European network and we're designing where the distribution centres should be, what vehicles should be used, and also consider the multimodal options that are in there. And that's something we've been doing for many years. We do it for major retailers, FMCG suppliers and manufacturers across Europe.
Gideon, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you.